For a while now, there's been an idea quietly growing in the back of my mind. I think it's because I miss real letters. Not for the nostalgia, but for the way they ask us to just slow down. They don't compete for our attention. They simply arrive, wait patiently on the table and ask for 10 quiet minutes whenever we're ready. So I've decided to create something called Letters from Allan. Once a month I'll send a letter from my little corner of Denmark. I'll write about whatever life has brought that month. Perhaps the tomatoes have finally arrived. Perhaps I've spent far too long repairing something that should have taken an afternoon. Perhaps Alvar has supervised absolutely none of the work. There'll be stories from the house and garden, small things I've noticed, books I've enjoyed, projects that went better than expected, and those that definitely didn't. Sometimes there might be a favorite recipe, a pressed flower, a fun sticker, or another little surprise tucked into the envelope. It won't be a newsletter. It won't be full of updates or announcements. It will simply be a letter. One small pause each month. Something to read with a cup of coffee whenever you have a quiet moment. The videos will always be the heart of what I do. These letters simply feel like continuing the conversation after the camera has been put away. If it sounds like something you'd enjoy, I'd be delighted to write to you.